A little known fact that will change the way how you see where you are in life. Wait for it. Paradigms. And your paradigm is that mental program located in your subconscious mind that almost exclusively controls your habitual behavior. And almost all your behavior is habitual. So when you understand that your paradigm controls about every single thing that you do, you look at where you are and you see where you are, and you see how you can change it by changing that mental program that is conditioned in your subconscious mind. So how do we go about changing this? There's two ways. The first way is an emotional impact, and an emotional impact is almost always negative. A loss in a family, a loss of a job, a loss of a loved one, and or for example a tsunami hitting the coast and like your house is swept away. An emotional impact can change your mental program that controls your habitual behavior in an instant, but mostly negative. The other way is spaced repetition and elite level coaching. So my advice to you is decide upon what you want and find an elite level coach that will help you to get the spaced repetition to start changing your paradigm to change your life. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Live with love and live with passion.